Hey guys, welcome back. In today's cooking video, we are making taco salad and taco burritos. Or not, you know what I'm saying, burrito. Just regular burritos and taco salad. I am eating the taco salad. He is eating the burrito. So, what you're going to need, we have 2 pounds of ground beef, and I've already cooked it. My brain went dead there for a minute. I've already browned the ground beef. I did put a little bit on the ground beef, and I did add garlic. That's all I added. And what you're going to need is the soft tacos, whatever kind you get, flour tortillas, whatever. You're going to need those if you like them, or the hard tacos, whichever you like. Yeah, you're going to think this is crazy, but I use Doritos, and I always use the Cool Ranch. It's my favorite. You're going to need some sour cream. You're going to need some shredded lettuce or whole lettuce where you can shred. You're going to need some sauce. We like the mild. I also have the hot, which I like that too. You're going to need some sharp cheddar or whatever kind of cheese that you like. And then, of course, you're going to need some taco seasoning mix. So, the next step after browning your hamburger, you're going to go ahead and drain that. And then on the back of the taco thing, it calls for a certain amount of water, 2/3 cups of water. So, you're going to double that because we've done 2 pounds of hamburger instead of 1. And these are usually for 1 pound. Okay, so I'm putting 2 packets. So, I'm going to double the 2/3 cup. Okay. All right, so we're going to do that real quick, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I've got my taco packs open. I've already added the water. Now I'm going to add the taco seasoning. And I should have brought my tripod, and I did not, but it's okay. All right, so add your seasoning, and then you're going to bring that back to like a boil. Okay. Sorry, I'm out of frame. The reason why those are 2 different colors, one is the original and one is mild. So you're just gonna stir that on up. Stir. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna stir this up. I'm gonna let it come to a boil. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I get the tortillas ready. I'm gonna light that stove, the flour tortilla. I'm going to take the soft taco and I'm just going to lay it right there on top of the stove, just like so. I'm going to watch it. I'm not going to walk away. This happens super quickly. What it's going to do is going to burn on one side, like it's going to toast it, kind of. Like you're going to toast it. And don't leave it on too long or it's going to burn. You might want to like move it around. That way it gets the whole flour tortilla, whatever. Okay, so that's pretty good right there. All right, I also forgot to tell you guys to get out tomatoes, chopped up tomatoes. Okay, so I just opened up a can of tomatoes and I put it in the storage container. That way when we put it up for the night, it's ready to go in the fridge. Got your cheddar, everything else is ready. I've got my Doritos already squished. So what I do is I put them on the plate and then I just squish them up. And of course I use paper plates because you can just throw them right away in the garbage when you're done. Here is his. His are ready. He can make his when I am finished. So right now, I'm just going to add my hamburger. Make sure it's stirred up really good. All right. And make a big old mess while I'm doing it. All right, so put about that much. You can put however much you want. Depends on how much you eat. And then I will I need another spoon. All right, so now I will take my shredded cheese and I'll go ahead and put that on. And I just dropped some in the tomatoes, but that's okay. So take your shredded cheese, put that on there, and take your tomato, however many pieces of tomato you want. I don't use a lot of tomato. And then I put my lettuce on the top, however much lettuce you want. A little bit more lettuce, so like that. And then I will put my sour cream on, if I can get it out. I like sour cream, so I'm just gonna put that right on top. If it'll come off, a little bit more sour cream. And I take my mild sauce and I pour that on there. And that, my friends, is a super quick taco salad. Ta-da! That's it. It didn't even take 30 minutes. And with this one, you would just put it right in here and fold that up like so and eat it like a soft taco. Or you can put all this stuff into a hard taco. And that is it. That is how I do my taco salads. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments, have you ever tried it with the Doritos? What do you think, guys? If you've never tried it, try it, because it is yummy. I have been using it with Doritos. I have been doing it this way with Doritos for so long. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. Try it. I promise you will not regret it. All right, so with that said, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.